Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about the circle. So here we have two circles on the number plane. If we look at this circle here, we see that the center is the origin. That is, where the x and y axis intersect. And the equation of this circle is x squared plus y squared equals 9. So whenever you have a circle with this type of equation, where you have x squared plus y squared equals something, the center is the origin. And the radius is the square root of that number. So the center is 0, 0, and the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. Over here, when you have this format, which is quite a little bit similar to that, except you've got some brackets here. So what you say to yourself is, what do I put for x so that this is 0? Well, you put in 1. What do I put for y so that is 0, negative 2? So 1, negative 2 is the center. Okay, because 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so 1, negative 2 is the center. And the radius is still the square root of 9, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. So they're just two examples, and you can draw a circle anywhere on the number plane. The next slide. So on the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English and music. Enjoy. And now let's have a look at the next three verses. And now let's look at the next slide. And the next one. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by creating a rap song about the circle. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.